All right, just out in the shop getting some tools ready for our trip tomorrow. We got the torque wrench, assortment of tape, first aid kit, couple of lights, voltmeter, multi-screwdriver, handful of pliers. Today's the day that we go to get the RV. We're gonna go for a train ride.
I got the boots. Boots.
Get your boots on.
What's that?
Take your coat off.
1 hour early to be precise there, Mark.
Where are you going? Okay. Going over here.
Train. This is train. This is a train. And it's a white train.
Where is it? Where's the train?
This is train. There's the train. Yay!
That's our train. Yeah, we're gonna go in number 6. We just gotta wait. Train's going. I normally see like in people's backyards.
Train is going.
Yeah.
Your dad.
Everybody's enjoying the train ride. Ready for our maiden voyage. Let's hope we make it. First go.
Where's so good? It's like 11:30 at night. Nighttime, it's still 2 hours away.
Over 12 hours travel time so far. Nobody on the road.
I can't even see you now. It's so dark. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. We're almost home. Almost.
Help free. So we've had the motorhome for a few hours. Did a 7-hour drive last night. Drove great. First thing we are going to do is take this chair out. However, we did find a small leak up there. Found a bit of a leak. Oh well. So let's get this chair out of here. Give us some room.